my dark shades on like I can see, but you know say me fancy you. You see my dark shades on like I can see, but you know say me fancy you. Fancy hello, don't be surprised when I say hello.
Charlotte, the way that I need to overly grease my back foot, yeah, bruv, I don't understand. I've greased it like 3 times. This light of life, I'm just very glad that I've managed to get dressed and do my makeup before they switched off the light. But anyways, time for me to head on out. This cutie right here is my little niece, who is a twin. Her name is Olivia. And over here you see my dog called Jack. I didn't give him that name, by the way. I am currently waiting on my brother. He called me like an hour ago to say he was on the way, but GH timing, eh? And finally he arrives and he removes the faulty lock from my bedroom door.
Payday the problem, welcome to my residence. Barack Obama, I'm your president. 100 pair of shoes, can you step in them? Cause I'm trying to clean out my closet like Eminem. Or at least follow his legacy, but be shady. No slim, no sniff cup, no, but we still dope. Refuse to be broke, give these kids hope. Make them know to be on the low. If they wanna blow, they can go wherever they wanna go, but never to forget where they're from. How life was tough when everything seemed wrong. Now you won like LeBron, but remember you'll be gone someday, and we'll mourn from dust till it's done. So be modest.
So we are currently here looking at tiles for my house. Yeah.
The hardest, like we were born in August. Who jobless, no man cares.
Basically the tiles with the kind of pink rounds is what we are going for. It is currently raining, which is why I have my umbrella up. But we have sorted out our tile issues. We put a deposit down for half of them. We needed 1,000. Was it 1,005 pieces? 1,005 pieces. Very glad that I brought my umbrella with me from London because it is Ghana's raining season. Rain, rain, rain. Look at the clouds. Just waiting for a taxi to go home.
It was to come first and surely we on target.
When I was share, oh no, me na me kono. Me trapping at Chibila, me trapping at Chibila, me trapping.
Yay, my brother just fixed my lock. Thank you, bro. So before we left, my lock was broken for my actual bedroom door. And we've gone to buy a new lock and my brother has fixed it the same ways he normally fixes everything. So now I don't have to go through this long route of having to go through my mum's bedroom to come out. But yes, all of this will be sorted out in due time. So I have no complaints.